Take off the 4 bolts that are holding it. There's 2 on the bottom and then 2 on the top there. Pull the motor away from the front of the wet head. Try to move the impeller clockwise. If you go the other way, you might undo it. Here I have my foot on it, so when I go to turn it on, it doesn't spin on me. Here I'm putting everything back. Make sure when you put this front piece on that it says top on the bottom, so make sure it fits in there properly. And if you can't move the impeller, then that means you have to change the bearing. Just put it back in place and put all 4 bolts on. Make sure they're just snug, don't over tighten. Open up the lid and then we're gonna put some water in it.